she looks at me. I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secrets feels inside, and all the craziness inside. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come on, mate, she believes, and that fate is something I never know before. Come on, mate, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows there's all the time, there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me leave it through. And when I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be, and goes right on loving me. Buddy, come on, mate, she believes, and that faith is something I never know before. Come on, mate, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.